This body scan station uses a variety of relaxation techniques to help calm the mind and body and drift off to sleep. It is a compilation of parts from other relaxation exercises. Lie down and get comfortable. Adjusting your position is needed so you can fall asleep. And even if all you do is relax without sleeping, you will be rested and refreshed afterward. This body scan sleep relaxation will help you relax. Breathe deeply in and slowly out. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take slow, calm breaths. Feel your breathing relax you. There is nothing you need to do right now besides breathe calmly. Just drift, relaxing. Feel yourself becoming sleepy, ever so slowly getting sleepier. Continue the body scan sleep relaxation. Enjoying the body scan sleep relaxation. See how slowly you can release the next breath you take. Breathe in deeply and now breathe out slowly, very slowly, prolonging this breath out, relaxing. When you finish breathing out, breathe in naturally. And then breathe out again slowly. Just keep breathing now, letting each breath occur naturally, without effort, at whatever pace is comfortable for you. Feel your breathing becoming calm, slow, easy. Continue the body scan sleep relaxation. Enjoying the body scan sleep relaxation. Scan your body, beginning at the top of your head and moving downward. Turn your attention to your head. Observe. Moving your attention downward to the level of your eyes, nose, chin, down to your shoulders, noticing each area, observing how your body feels. Keep scanning, gradually moving down your body. How does your upper body feel? Take note of any areas of tension. Nearing the center of your body, at the level of your stomach, how is this part of your body feeling? Keep observing your physical state. Continue to scan your body, moving the focus of your attention downwards, reaching the level of your hips. Keep observing and moving your attention down. How does this part of your body feel? Notice any tension without trying to change anything. Reaching the level of your knees. How does this area of your body feel? Keep scanning all the way down to your feet. Take a moment now to scan your whole body, noticing how your body feels as a whole. Where is your body the most tense? Focus intently on this one area of tension and imagine the muscles here letting go of their hold, becoming loose, becoming relaxed, letting the tension go, releasing the tension bit by bit until this area relaxes. Feel the tension softening. Feel the muscles as they loosen, lengthen, warming and relaxing, as if they are melting into relaxation. Notice where your body is the most relaxed. How does the relaxation feel? Imagine that this relaxation is warm and tingly, moving, spreading to relax other parts of your body. Feel your body becoming more relaxed as the area of relaxation grows. Continue the body scan sleep relaxation, enjoying the body scan sleep relaxation. Allow your body to relax. Feel your shoulders relaxing, the muscles releasing their hold. Your legs are still, and they are starting to feel heavy. Your feet are very warm. Feel the warmth spreading as your legs become warmer as well. Your arms are getting heavier. Feel yourself sinking into the surface you are lying on. Sinking deeper, deeper. Your whole body is feeling very heavy. Feel the warmth in your hands, growing warmer and warmer, spreading up to your arms. Your hands and arms are very heavy. Blink your eyes a few times if you want to. Notice that your eyelids are feeling heavy. They are getting heavier and heavier. And it feels so good to close your eyes, to rest your eyes, allowing your eyes to remain closed, relaxed. Notice a feeling of coolness in your forehead. Calm, cool, and relaxed. Smooth, free from tension. Imagine that the tension in your body is flowing out through your fingers and your toes, draining away. With each breath, you can feel the tension leaving right out your fingertips and right out your toes. Feel the tension leaving your body, draining away. Continue the body scan sleep relaxation, enjoying the body scan sleep relaxation. Let your mind drift now for a moment, just relaxing, not needing to focus or think, just drifting as the tension continues to drain away and your body relaxes. Imagine that your body is made of caramel or chocolate or some other solid that can be melted. Right now, your body is like a solid, hard piece of caramel. Imagine a feeling of warmth that starts to soften the caramel that your body is made of. Soon your hands and feet are soft, getting softer and more liquid. The warmth spreads throughout your body, from your hands, up your arms. Feel your arms melting, softening. It is a pleasant feeling, so relaxing. Feel the warmth as it continues up from your feet, up your legs. Notice your legs softening as if they are melting to a completely relaxed state. Feel the core of your body as the warmth coming from your arms and legs meets at your stomach. Feel your core relaxing, melting. Imagine that your whole body is very soft, like caramel that has melted and is soft and stretchy. Simply rest, enjoying this relaxation, floating, relaxing. It's okay to just relax now. Just allowing the sleep to overtake you. Letting your mind drift off. Drifting back to sleep. It feels so good to surrender to the heaviness of sleep. Your body is like a feather now, floating down gently toward this peaceful land of sleep. Feel your body drifting back and forth, down and down, fluttering through the air softly. We'll soon be coming to rest in this peaceful place. Softly resting, sinking, a peaceful, pleasant place. So sleepy, drifting down, sinking down into sleep. Back to sleep. So deeply asleep and heavy. Pleasant, calm, dreaming. Coming to rest on a soft surface. Softly sinking into comfort and sleep. There are no more words you need to focus on. Just calm music. Enjoy the relaxation now. And allow yourself to drift off into pleasant